ACTIFLO Turbo for drinking water and processed water treatment. ACTIFLO Turbo is a compact water clarification process in which water is flocculated with microsand and polymer in a turbo mix reactor. The microsand provides surface area for floc formation and acts as a ballast. The resulting microsand ballasted flocs display unique characteristics which allow for clarifier designs with very short retention times, high rise rates, and extremely compact system footprints that are between 5 and 50 times smaller than conventional clarification processes of similar capacity. ACTIFLO Turbo consists of a coagulation basin and a flocculation basin with a turbo mix reactor, followed by a lamella settler and a sludge thickening tank. A screw conveyor transports the microsand sludge slurry from the settler to the thickening tank, which includes a mixer and a centrifugal pump for pumping the sludge slurry to a hydrocyclone for microsand cleaning and recovery. After coagulant addition, raw water enters the coagulation tank under vigorous mixing conditions for floc production. The coagulated water then enters the turbomix flocculation tank, in which microsand and polymer are added. The turbomix reactor is designed to produce ideal mixing conditions to attach the flocs onto the surface of microsand with the help of polymer bridges. With its draft tube and anti-vortex baffles, the turbomix reactor controls the flow advance of the water and hence reduces the dead volumes in the flocculation tank. The fully flocculated water then enters the settling tank via a xiphoid baffle to avoid the transfer of turbulence from the agitated zone. The microsand ballasted flocs settle quickly to the bottom, whereas the clarified water rises through the lamella at a nominal velocity of 80 meters per hour. The ballasted microsand sludge slurry is withdrawn from the bottom of the settling tank with the help of an endless screw and transferred to the external thickening tank. From there, it is pumped to a hydrocyclone for the separation of the sludge from the microsand. The clean microsand is discharged at the bottom of the hydrocyclone and returned to the turbomix reactor for reuse. The sludge is discharged at the top of the hydrocyclone into an intermediate basin. Depending on its concentration, the sludge is partially recycled back into the thickening tank or discharged out of the system with a dry solid content of up to 2%. Water losses in ACTIFLO Turbo are thus reduced to less than 0.5% of the influent flow. In addition to ballasting the flocs, the microsand dampens the effects of sudden variations in raw water quality or flow, making the process extremely stable. The overall hydraulic retention time of a few minutes makes it easy for the process to respond and for the treatment to be quickly optimized. These factors provide a user-friendly process that is very easy to operate and very efficient in the treatment of difficult waters. Thanks to TurboMix, operating costs are reduced in ACTIFLO Turbo due to smaller tank volumes and to lower energy consumption. In addition, the extremely short hydraulic retention time and the high rise rate allow for extremely compact system design footprints, which translate into substantial savings in construction costs. Together, these unique features make ACTIFLO Turbo state-of-the-art and the most efficient clarification process on the market today.